Good day everyone, my name is Puteri Nurul Najla binti Abdul Malik. I'm from Expert Group 9 and my topic is about rock sampling. Rock sampling is a process of collecting rock sample from site to study about the rock characteristic. It is commonly used in the construction, mining and in the application. First drilling, core extraction, sampling, and after that the final is we send the sample to the lab testing. Okay, let's we move to the next slide. This is the equipment and component that next slide is about the how rock drilling leads to the rock sampling. Drilling produce the rock core inside the core barrels. These core are collected as the rock sample. This sampling is depend on the drilling to reach the required depth. So means at the certain depth we can obtain different sample. The both method works together in the site excavation, which is after we drill and we got the sampling, and the rock sampling is the method that we need in the site investigation. First drilling, core extraction, sampling, and after that the final is we send the sample to the lab testing. Let's we move to the next slide. This is the equipment and component that let's move to the first slide. Here are the main tools used in the rock drilling. Drill rods and bit are used to cut into the soil and rock. The core barrels collect the rock sample. The casing keeps the borehole stable. The drill rigs provide the power, and the compressor remove debris and cools the drill. Let's we see the rock drilling diagram. This picture show how the drilling is done. The drill rig push the drill bit through the soil into the rock. As it drills, it creates a hole and allow us to collect the rock core from underground. We move to the bottom. The drilling process. First, the drill is set up on the ground, and the drills rotate and goes down through soil and rock to create a borehole. Second, core collection. Then the core barrels is used into the hole. It cut and collects a cylinder rock sample called a core. After that is retrieval and laboratory. The core is lifted carefully into the surface, and the engineer check the sample and send it to the lab. So this is the last process. The lab helps us to understand and to know the strength and properties of the rocks. Let's move to the last slide. This slide show the purpose and the importance of the rock sampling. The rock sampling obtain rock core sample during and after the drilling. It is used to identify the rock type, strength, and to assess the rock quality designation, which is RQD. It can support the engineer design decision for construction or permanent works. Type of rock sample we got two. First, disturbed sample. Disturbed sample is a broken pieces primarily used for the rock identification. Second is undisturbed sample, which is this is the intact cylinder crucial for detailed lab test. How this is formula of the RQD. RQD is measure of the quality of rock mass. The formula is total length of intact pieces of core that are more than 100 mm divide with the total length of core run and times with 100%. Let's see the right table which show the RQD percentage. If the RQD percentage is around 25 until 50 it show the poor rock quality. But we see the highest one, which is 19 until 100. It is very good rock quality. We get this by using the RQD, and so that we can know what quality the rock is. I think that's all from me. Thank you.